Hello, I am Gargi Mondal. I am pursuing my bachelor's degree from St. Anandram Jaipuriya College and I am having my major in food and nutrition currently in the 5th semester. Our college is celebrating National Nutrition Month 2022, so I am participating in the online recipe contest. Today, I am sharing a recipe of plastic jelly which has high nutritional medicinal values and low cost food item. The major food ingredient is papaya. Most of the people does not like to eat raw papaya, but in this preparation you won't feel that you are eating raw papaya. For this preparation we need a papaya. Other ingredients are sugar, cashew, raisins, cardamom and lemon. Now we have to grate the papaya. After grating the papaya should look like this. Let's start the cooking. Take a medium size pot. Then we pour some water. Then bring it to a boil. Now we add sugar. Stir continuously until it dissolved. When the sugar is dissolved, we added the grated papaya in the water. Leave it until the papaya softens. After some time, we lowered the temperature and mixed it well and left with the lid on. After 5 minutes, we added cashew and raisins and mixed it very well. Then we added 4 tablespoons of lemon juice and crushed cardamom. Then give it a Final stir. Now the preparation is ready. The jelly is ready to serve. Thanks for watching.